Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. We are starting a new video series for diploma students. In this video series, we will give solution of previous year papers. Basically, we will give the solutions whichever exam has been conducted in previous years. So we will try for WISAG, a WISAG RINL exam, SAIL, DRDO, and many other exams which have been conducted in previous year for diploma students. Although this series is for diploma students, but for gaining the knowledge, just for practicing metallurgical questions, you can also follow this series on our YouTube channel. And in this series, first of all, we will see everything about WISAG RINL Junior Trainee Exam. Okay, so in year 2019 and year 2018, they have conducted the exams for junior trainee. So we will see about the exam patterns, eligibility criteria, and many more things about this exam. So, so if we will talk about eligibility criteria for WISAG RNL Junior Trainee Exam, so there may be several criteria, eligibility criteria, but the minimum and basic eligibility criteria is related to the age. So many of us have the issues and we don't know about the age limit for this exam. So we have prepared one table for this. So minimum age for every categories is 18 years. So this 18 years is for every categories, and this is minimum age, and the maximum age for every category is I am writing here. So for unreserved category, that is general category, 27. For OBC, it is 30 years. For SC ST, it is 32 years. And same at the same time, I want to tell you that 10 years relaxations, 10 years relaxations for PW category. For PW, that is those who are physically disabled or differently able. Okay, so this 10-year relaxations for PWD category, and 5-year relaxations. This 5-year relaxations they have given to the sports person, the meritorious sports person, that is MSP category. They have given the 5 years relaxation. So this is basically age limit criteria. And the next criteria is related to the degree. Okay, so what degree should we have for writing this exam? So for this, we have a minimum met metric SSC, that is basically 10th class. We should have 10th class plus ITI or diploma in engineering. So here, this engineering basically is related to the different technical subjects. So in this video, we are talking about metallurgy. So if you are writing for exam for metallurgy, so you should have a ITI and diploma in metallurgy. Okay, so these are the basic criteria, that is age limit and degree criteria. And in metric and SSC and full-time ITI diploma engineering, for general category, general, OBC, and EWS, students should have 60%, minimum 60% diploma in engineering, 60% marks. And for SC ST and PWD, they should have 50% marks in diploma in engineering. So this is the basically the minimum criteria for writing this WISAG RINL Junior Trainee exam. After eligibility criteria, we will see the exam pattern for WISAG RINL Junior Trainee exam. So if we will talk about particularly about WISAG exam pattern, so this exam basically consists of two segments or two parts. That is, one is technical part and the other one is non-technical part. I am writing here non-technical. This is non-tech part. Okay, so this is also known as non-core, or this is known as core part. So we can say core means this is basically related to the your engineering diploma. So suppose we are talking about metallurgy, so we should have technical degree in metallurgy for writing this exam. Okay, so in technical part they will ask for metallurgy branch they will ask questions of metallurgy. That will be 75 questions from the metallurgy part. Okay, and in non-core part they will ask the questions from general aptitude. Okay, so this is basically general aptitude. 35 questions from this part they will ask general aptitude. In this part, in general aptitude they will ask reasoning and data interpretations and many more things which is related to the general aptitude. And the next part is related to the English, that is basically working English, the easy English, which is daily language, which we use in daily language. Okay, so they will ask these questions, 20 questions from this part. And from general knowledge, the third one is from general knowledge or general awareness. This is also known as GA part. So general awareness, they will ask 20 questions. So basically 75 questions, this is number of questions. So 75 questions from technical part, and 35, 20 and 20. So they will ask 35 questions in general aptitude, 20 questions in working English, and 20 questions in general aptitude. So the total questions, number of questions will be 75, 35, 20 plus 20 is equals to this will be equals to 150 questions. So this 150 questions will be asked in this exam, and the total duration we will having 2 hours. 2 hours will be given, 2 hours will be allotted for this exam. So so for writing this exam we need to study both the parts, that is technical part and this non-tech part. So basically technical part is good for the students, but a few students face problem in non-tech part, so you should be prepared for non-tech part. Okay, in metallurgy we will do the previous year questions, so that will be enough. And you if you will see this, if you will watch this whole video series, you will be good in metallurgical engineering question practice. So I will request you to watch whole series for practicing and for learning metallurgical engineering part in this video series. Okay, as soon as possible we will start uploading video solutions of previous year question papers of RINL WISEG exams, that is for junior trainee exams. And I am very thankful thankful to the Ask Metallurgy team for providing the question papers, for providing the previous year question paper for diploma students. And I will request you all to visit the askmetallurgy.com for downloading those previous year papers, and we will do practice together here in videos. Okay, so if you have any problem regarding this, you can directly message us on our Instagram page, and also you can comment here in this video. Thank you. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos.